Hey, good morning. So I was talking to a couple guys about double filling. So we installed the second reel on our truck. As you can see, the other reel's right there. But we installed the second reel with no Hudson for increased fill. You know, we're running a 30 gallon a minute machine or rig basically, or if we run all three, it's 30 gallons a minute. We did the same thing over here. We just added a shelf. This is angle iron. Connor Heron did this, local Houston welder, really did a great job. But as you can see, we have two 3/4 inch Flexilla hoses for fill. And same thing over here. We have three 12-inch reels, then we have the 18-inch reel for the soft wash, but and we keep the cam locks on all of them. Both of them are running to a 1-inch line to the tanks. We have a Hudson float valve on this one. On the other one, we don't, because when you're double filling at that point, you don't want a Hudson, you want max flow. We do recommend installing a ball valve so you can kill it real quick if you are overflowing. We haven't installed ours yet, but we talked about it last night and we intend to. So just another Hene electric reel. Whether you use hand crank or electric, if you're running high flow stuff, when we hook up to a dual flow house, unless there's something really wrong with the house, you know, that's just crazy low flow, we never have issues. Also, I want to talk about, so the mini Mondo we have, the way we have it set up is in our surface cleaner rack up there. I want to say it's 96 inches by 20 inches. I'll have to get the measurements on that. But the mini Mondo, when you take it apart, slides right in there on the casters. The handles come out, stick down a little bit. We could put them, we had them put up above this, but it fits in there nice. The Aqua Pro fits down here. Thaddeus on that electric life, right? Well, we pull 100 feet of supply hose every time and 200 feet of pressure hose, so we're not about that life. But anyway, you guys have a good one.